Hello, how's your day? GHS Precision, founded in 1993 as a OEM, ODM production factory, solid foundation for production and R&D. Production lines such as precision machining, surface treatment, composite materials, strengthen the integration of all processes, take advantage of supply chain, with more comprehensive services. Various testing instruments, and quality assurance strictly check to ensure the quality of shipments and meet customer needs. Intelligent robot production line with Industry 4.0 will be introduced. We provide customized manufacture of heavy-duty machinery, spindles, transmission system, shaft, jet ski components, fork lifting steering column, agricultural machinery, steering column system, transmission system, gear parts, vehicle parts, aerospace parts, medical parts, automation parts, pneumatic parts, machinery parts, hardware parts, bicycle parts. Bye, see you next time.